Really interesting story from Effie last night. Australia's financial watchdog is now probing whether bank customers are being ripped off because savings from mortgage offset accounts aren't being properly passed on.
So here to break it down is Nine's Money editor Effie Zahos. Effie, good morning to you.
Morning.
So what has ASIC uncovered here?
Yeah, this absolutely shocked me. This is a big deal when it comes to home loans. So the issue is around offset accounts. So let me give a 101 what they are. An offset account is essentially a bank account that's attached, connected to your home loan. The money you have in your offset account basically reduces your home loan balance for interest purposes. So here's an example. You got a 600k home loan, you got 10,000 in your offset, it's only calculated interest on 590. The secret sauce here is that these two have to be connected. The home loan has to be connected to the offset account. But the problem is, and what ASIC is probing and actually surveillancing now, is that they have had some cases where the two are not linked.
How do you know that? How do you know if it's linked or not?
It defeats the purpose.
It does defeat the purpose. Now, they don't know how widespread it is, but they are probing 8 lenders right now, and they already have confirmed to me yesterday that some major banks are involved as part of this. So you need to basically check your statement and see, are you seeing savings with your mortgage offset? It is hard to calculate how much you should be saving because some people's offset account goes up and down. You might just put your salary and so on. For me, the easiest thing is call your lender and ask them, is this connected? Is this working?
It should be up to the customer in this case. If they've got an offset account, then you presume it's all set up. You
would presume that. And here's the thing. The other thing I asked is that how they couldn't confirm how widespread, but you've got 300 million people with a home loan. Wow. Over half of that have an offset.
Wow.
So this could be quite widespread. They've already got cases. So how did they find out? Because I asked them, well, how did you find out about this? So it was a combination where they had breaching reports. The banks reported it to them. Some customer complaints. Enough for them to go, we are worried. We are going to look into this and just see what the problem is.
That's a big story. I mean, how do you even calculate? I mean, at varying interest rate levels as well,
do you know,
over time.
Even back when I was, say, editing Money magazine many, many moons ago, the issue of, you know, wrong interest being calculated on home loans was happening. So for consumers, it's so much pays to look at your statement, but it is hard to work out. Simple thing is annoy the banks today and contact them.
Well, it's their bloody job to do it right. Pay them for.
But good on ASIC for doing that. And this is part of a whole lot of better banking that they're looking at, and they're looking at other things too. So I'll come back to you with insurance premiums.
All right.
Insurance
Thank you, Effie.